Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall HubSpot Sales Outlook add-in for LinkedIn tracking cleanup. Complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the HubSpot Sales Outlook add-in for LinkedIn tracking, start by opening the Outlook application on your computer. Navigate to the File tab located in the top left corner. From the menu that appears, select Options. In the Outlook Options window, look for Add-ins on the left sidebar and click on it. In the Add-ins section, you'll see a list of installed add-ins. Locate the HubSpot Sales add-in from this list. At the bottom of the window, you will find a Manage drop-down menu. Select COM add-ins from this drop-down. Click Go to proceed. A new window will appear showing all the COM add-ins installed in Outlook. Find and select the HubSpot Sales add-in. Once selected, click the Remove button located in the bottom right corner. Confirm that you want to remove the add-in if prompted. After the add-in is uninstalled, click OK to close the COM add-ins window. Next, restart your Outlook application to ensure the changes take effect. You have now successfully uninstalled the HubSpot Sales Outlook add-in for LinkedIn tracking. Your Outlook is now free of the HubSpot Sales add-in. For a complete cleanup, consider checking for any associated HubSpot extensions in your web browser. Open your web browser and navigate to the Extensions or Add-ons section in the settings. Search for any HubSpot add-ons and uninstall them as needed. This will help ensure that all components related to HubSpot Sales are removed from your system. You are now ready to use Outlook without the HubSpot Sales add-in. Enjoy a cleaner, more focused email experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.